Hey, what's up? It's Ryan. This is going to be part 4 of my 6 video series on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This specific video is going to go over how to solve the middle layer. Before I show you how to do that, here's what the middle layer looks like after solving it. So all the pieces here match. So all green, all orange, all blue, and all red. Solving the middle layer is very similar to solving the white corners. The one big difference is that instead of corners, we'll be working with edges. So as you may have noticed from previous steps, we typically look at the top layer for the pieces we want to solve, and that's exactly what we'll be doing for this step. So we are looking for any edge piece with no yellow in it. So there's no yellow here, so this works. There's yellow here, that doesn't work. No yellow here, that works. And this doesn't work because there's yellow. So either this piece or this piece would work. Once you find an edge piece with no yellow, move it to where this specific color matches its center. So since this color is red, I'm going to move it to the red side, like this. Then hold the cube so that you're in between the two colors that match the edge. So since I'm solving the red and blue edge piece, I'm going to hold the cube in between the blue and red sides, just like this. Then from this angle, see if the edge is on the right side or the left side. If it's on the right, move the edge to the right. Then bring the opposite side up, move the edge in, then bring the side back down. It's the same moves to insert a corner that's facing the right. And what we just did was we created something called a pair, where the corner matches with its corresponding edge. So this is the white, blue, and red corner piece attached with the blue and red edge piece, and that's a pair. So all we have to do from here is just reinsert this corner, like this. And now the edge is solved. Look on the top layer for another edge piece with no yellow in it. So this is yellow, this is yellow, this is yellow. Okay, this one doesn't, so this one would work. The color here is orange, so I'm going to move it to the orange side so that it matches. And then I'm going to hold the cube in between these two colors, so in between the orange and blue sides, just like this. And I see it's on the left side, so I'm going to move it to the left. I'm going to bring the opposite side up. I'm going to move the edge in, and then I'm going to bring the side back down to create my pair. And then I'm just going to reinsert the corner like normal. And that solves the edge. What makes this step so easy is that it's basically just doing corners twice. A possible case you might get is where all the edges on the top layer have yellow in it. So that just means there's an edge somewhere flipped or in a slot where it doesn't belong in. So to fix that, just find the edge, put it on the right side, and then bring it up, move it away from you, and then bring the side back down. Then you can reinsert this corner. And now you have this case that I just went over. I'll be doing an example solve to show you everything I just talked about. So in the scramble, I see this edge has no yellow, and this color is blue, so I'm going to move it to the blue side. I see that it's on the left side, so I'm going to move it to the left, opposite side up, move the edge in, bring this side back down. Now I have my pair, so I can just insert this corner like normal. And then this edge doesn't have yellow, this color is blue, so I'm going to move it to the blue side, just like that. And this time it's on the right side, so I'm going to move it to the right. I'm going to move the opposite side up, move it in, back down, insert the corner. This edge doesn't have yellow, it's already connected with its center. It's on the right, so I'm going to move it to the right, opposite side up, move the edge in, back down, reinsert the corner. All of these edges on the top are with yellow, so the edge is here and it's flipped. So I'm going to move it up, move it away from me, back down, then reinsert the corner, and then the edge is on the top layer. So this is green, so I'm going to move it to the green side to match with its center. It's on the left side, so I'm going to move it to the left, opposite side up, move the edge in, then bring the side back down, and then reinsert the corner, and that solves the middle layer. I hope you were able to follow along and learn how to solve the middle layer. My challenge to you is to be able to solve the first two layers in under 1 minute and 30 seconds consistently. If you can do that, you are ready to move on to the next step. Have fun practicing, good luck, see you.